Noodles are flowing in cold, clear water. They are not for watching. Let's catch and eat them. On a trip to Shimabara Peninsula in Nagasaki, I enjoyed using nature's power for cooking. There is a volcano here! The area is designated a UNESCO Global Geopark. Many hot springs emerge from the ground here, and I could feel the volcano's power on my skin. Look! I found a natural food steamer. It harnesses the steam from hot springs. Put vegetables and seafood in this stone steamer like this, and all you have to do is wait. It's done in 15 minutes. Amazing geopower! Shimabara is also rich with cool spring water. The water in the gutters is crystal clear. You can see beautiful, colorful carp here and there. The spring water is so clean and pure, you can use it as a natural food cooler. I put thin somen noodles in the water. And here's the fun part. I caught the cold noodles with chopsticks and ate them. I love the smooth texture. I tried to make somen noodles for myself. We joined forces and stretched the dough made of flour, an interesting technique. At the end of the first day, I had a relaxing time at a hotel with a spa. The next morning, I got on a train and stopped by at a railway station famous in Japan for being closest to the sea. It looked like it was floating. Then I visited a beautiful Japanese garden. Once again, people were using spring water as a natural food cooler. This is kanzarashi, a traditional sweet of Shimabara. Rice dumplings were cooled in water and then put in a special syrup. It's mildly sweet, smooth, and cold. Come visit and enjoy Shimabara, Nagasaki!